Lesson 7, our country India. Now here India is surrounded by Himalayas in the north, Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east and Indian Ocean in the south. And now the area of India is 3.28 million square kilometers, and the north-south extent, that is from North Kashmir to Kanyakumari, it is 3,200 kilometers, and the latitudinal extent for this is 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north, and the east-west. See, from here to here, the extent is 2900 kilometers and the longitudinal extent is from 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. And the difference between this when compared to time, it is 2 hours. And now Indian Standard Time is 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude. Here see, we can see only north and north over this. Why? Because our earth is in northern hemisphere, and here in longitudinal extent it is 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. So from this we can state that it is in the eastern hemisphere. When we divide like this when we divide like this vertically, then it is on the eastern hemisphere, and we divide like this, it is on the northern hemisphere. And now coming to the physical divisions of India, India is divided into many. One is Himalayas, northern plains, Great Indian Desert, islands, coastal plains and plateaus. Now let's learn about this. Himalayas, we have three ranges. One is Greater Himalayas. This is also called Himadri, and world's highest mountain ranges are in this Great Himalayas. It is also called Himadri, and the Middle Himalayas are also called Himachal, and many hill stations are present in this Middle Himalayas. And the third and the southernmost range is Shivaliks. And now coming to northern plains, see, these are south to the Himalayas, and very fertile land is due to, it is very fertile land because the alluvial deposits of the river Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and its tributaries. And so as this land is very fertile and water is abundantly available, these areas are densely populated. These areas means the areas around and in the northern plains are densely populated. And now the Great Indian Desert. Great Indian Desert is on the western part of India. Remember this word western. We'll use that in the next lessons also. And now islands. We have two types of islands. One is coral islands, that is Lakshadweep, and the other is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These are in Bay of Bengal and these are in Arabian Sea. And when coming to plateaus, these plateaus have many hills and ranges. These are located in the south of northern plains, and Vindhyas, Satpuras are important ranges. Western Ghats are also called Sahyadris, and Eastern Ghats are present on the eastern side of India. We will look at this in the map at the end of this video. And now coming to coastal plains. Coastal plains are on the, we have two types, eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains are broader. Okay, now okay, now we'll look at this map. See, these are Great Himalayas, these are Middle Himalayas, and these are Shivaliks. What is here? Important mountain ranges are present. The world's highest mountain range, that is Mount Everest, is present in this great Himalayas. It is also called Himadri, and middle Himalayas are Himachal, and this is Shivaliks. This is the southernmost part of Himalayas. And now this is Great Indian Desert. We can see here it is on the western side, and here it is Aravalli range. Aravalli range, we have learned in the previous lesson that this range is the oldest fold mountains, and these are also oldest mountains in this India. And here you can see the Vindhya range. Here it is Satpura range. We can see two rivers flowing. One is river Narmada and the other is river Tapi. These are west flowing rivers. And here you can see Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi flowing to the east. And here we can see Western Ghats. Western Ghats are also called Sahyadris, and these are Eastern Ghats. And here it is Eastern Coastal Plains, and here it is Western Coastal Plains. We learned that Eastern Coastal Plains are broader than Western Coastal Plains. And here it is Lakshadweep Island. These islands are also called Coral Islands. And here it is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, these are northern plains, and south to this is plateaus. Is that okay? Okay, that's all. We have covered all of them. Thank you for watching.